Hero City Arts and Crafts brings you the 2021 How to Make Festival as we construct the Sandcrawler from the Star Wars universe, sponsored by the San Diego Public Library. We will start this project by making the front tower part of the Sandcrawler using recycled cardboard. Part 3 is to attach the toy tanks to the bottom part of the Sandcrawler, which gives it its wheels to be mobile. As you can see here, they are on the bottom. The next step is to cover the box with thin brown packing paper so we can paint over the paper, not the cardboard. Okay, so we've already masked the box with brown paper and we're ready for the painting process to be the original brown color as a Sandcrawler in Star Wars. I bring you the Hero City Arts and Crafts How-To Festival 2021. We made the Star Wars Sandcrawler by recycled materials.